Today we are going back to taco quesadilla beef land with the taco seasoning and all that good stuff. We got our water boiling for our Spanish rice packet that we got today. And look at our little beef for $4.37. Y'all, let's get into today's beefy cheesy quesadilla recipe. So we're just gonna, of course, start off oiling our skillet, get it nice and hot. Go ahead and put our beef in there. Go ahead and mash that around. Not mash, but y'all know what I mean. Add in your little rice to your packet. Follow the directions on the back of the bag. And we're going to be adding a little bit of salt and pepper to our beef. A little bit of onion powder as well. And a little bit of lime pepper. And go ahead and separate your beef. Continue to cook. Put that lid on, and after a few minutes, it should be brown like this. So y'all, let's go ahead and pour off the juice of our beef. And we'll be back. And now that we are back, we're going to take our taco seasoning mix packet and add that to our beef, y'all. And make sure all that beef gets all of that taco seasoning. We want a little quesadilla taste today, y'all. We're just going to take that same skillet, add a little bit of butter. After you remove your beef, we're going to put our flour tortillas, get a little bit of that butter on both sides, and we're going to add our ingredients for our quesadilla. So y'all, first take you some shredded cheese. I'm just using a Mexican blend. We're going to put that on one side. We're going to be adding a little bit of our beef. We're going to be adding a little bit of salsa and that Spanish rice. And y'all, you can also add tomatoes, lettuce, sour cream. Y'all, I'm so mad that I did not have any sour cream and I ran out. Oh my gosh, I love sour cream with my quesadillas. But I didn't have any, so we just had to keep it simple. So y'all, this is a perfect lunch idea, dinner recipe for the kids. And even if you just want a quick little snack. But y'all, after you've added your ingredients to your tortilla, just flip that side over. And we're going to cook it for a couple minutes on both sides until it's brown and crispy. And looks like a grilled cheese. So y'all, this recipe is super simple, super easy. Go ahead and give it a nice flip. You can see that golden brown on that tortilla. All right, y'all, and after a few minutes, let's take a peek on the inside. Ooh, a little hot, y'all. I just want to take a little peek. And we're just going to repeat that process, guys. Continue to add your ingredients to your quesadillas. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Nice and simple, easy snack, easy lunch, easy dinner. Just want to be lazy, but still want a little Taco Bell taste, little crunch on the side. You can do it, guys. I promise you. And just keep on flipping. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I added some little Takis with my quesadillas. Make sure you add sour cream, y'all. Don't be like me without the sour cream. Oh my gosh. But look how cheesy our little beefy quesadilla came out. We cut them into cute triangles. And y'all, that's pretty much it. It is time to eat. Let's turn these lights on. Get that last little close up. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends as always. And let's eat. I will see you next time. Bye.